Now, this is the compound type XX-5 is ClF5. ClF5. ClF5, what is the hybridization sp3d2? Is it octahedral or is it distorted octahedral or it is square pyramid? Which is the geometry? Let us explore the hybridization. So point of discussion is very clearly it is ClF5 hybridization. So chlorine, the excited ground state of chlorine 3s3p, we have to draw that. Chlorine ground state 3s, 2 electrons will be there, 3p, 5 electrons will be there, d electrons, d orbitals vacant, ground state it is vacant. Vacant. First excited state, go to the first excited state. First excited state. How you will excite? One electron will come here. So 3s, 2 electrons, 3p, what is going to happen? One second. Draw bigger boxes. 3s, 3p. So instead of 5 you will have 4 electrons. And 3d you'll have 1 electron. This first excited state. Or second excited state. Second excited state. Once again s orbital, 2 electrons are there, this is not excited. Once again one more electron will go here, therefore second excited state, 1 electron in each, so something like half filled p orbital and 2d orbitals are here. Now, what is the molecule we discussed? ClF5, 5. So, coming to ClF5, what will happen is, three s will be as it is. This will form one lone pair. Three p, 3d. So 1, 2, 3. Next we'll have 4, 5. We'll start with 1 fluorine, 2nd fluorine, 3rd fluorine, 4th fluorine, 5th fluorine. Great. So this is going to form, so I'll put the same colors where I'm filling the same electrons for different atoms. Fluorine, 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 fluorine. 1. First fluorine overlaps 1 electron from fluorine, 1 electron from chlorine. So 1 from chlorine, 1 from fluorine, 1 from chlorine, 1 from fluorine, 1 from fluorine, 1 from chlorine, final 1 from fluorine, 1 from chlorine. Now you have, and just predict the hybridization very easily. Yes, P3, 3 orbitals, 1, 2, 3, D2, D2. This is the hybridization. Okay, great. In the next video, I'll discuss about the shapes and the other important points of this molecule.